Hi everyone, my name is Clark Dilaga from grade 11 Adamson, and this is 21st Century Philippine Literature. The title of this poem, The Place You'd Love to Be. Have you ever been to the Philippines, my true country, the Philippines you need to see? Look for all of its natural beauty, travel across by air, by land, by sea. Enjoy all the beautiful sceneries, the pearl of the Orient as we know it, where the sun rises like the golden rays, and it's welcome you with a tight embrace. In Luzon hop through the 100 islands, the Visayas see the chocolate hills. In Mindanao, climb up the Mount Apo, and all of these places you need to see. Satisfy your eyes with the sceneries. The Philippines is where you need to see.